Alright, so now I have a real reason to be wearing a tam. It's pretty chilly for me, coming from Jamaica. It's like, what is that? What temperature is it? It's like 80 degrees? Is it 18? 18 degrees Celsius. That's pretty chilly. So yeah, I'm heading to Higashio Okazaki farewell party for one of my co-workers. So I'm gonna have a beer, maybe. Yeah. And then we're gonna come back home. I don't know. Crap. Maybe I need to what? I gotta step it up a notch. Step it up a notch, maybe. I don't know. What do I gotta do? Tell me. White balance, check 1, 2. Okay, good. Right. So I'm here in Okazaki quarters. My co-worker over there is going off. He's leaving a company because he wants to travel. But I won't tell you the real reason. And that's Eileen over there. She's my white balance. Okay. Say hi, Eileen.
Hi, Eileen.
She's from Canada, I think. And this is the newest worker in my area. He is Australian. Yes, Australians don't look like rednecks all the time.
Sorry, mate.
Sorry, mate. We go right. Sorry, mate. He's Australian, okay, and he is Chinese thingy going on. He has
Chinese heritage.
He speaks Mandarin but no Japanese, so don't mix.
Cantonese,
spicy food.
He doesn't speak Mandarin. That's what he told us.
Oh, he doesn't speak Mandarin. Eileen is the encyclopedia. Okay. And then, oh, there's hi. She's Makamlolo. What's it? Maki. Whoa, down the neck there.
I'm gonna die young.
Woo! Maki. That's how we do. All right. Maki told my tam.
Maybe it's because I'm 34, but.
Huh? Oui, mademoiselle. I'm from France. Look like Webster from What you talking about, Willis? And that's him. That's him. Patrick, that's my boy. He's from England. And he just came in. So yeah, and it's Mackie. Hey, people that's coming in here, a random party. So I'm gonna go to the birthday boy right now. Okay. Okay, hold on, one second. Hi. Bilal, tell him hi. He is leaving, and he's pretty pissed, and that's Lauren. All the trainees speak about Lauren because they say he's cute. That's what they tell me. And that's my PS.
Who said that?
White woman, okay, and this, I don't know, hi, what's your name? Jeremiah, hi. I'm Andre. You're a teacher or just a friend of Bilal? Friend, okay. He's a friend, I don't know him, he doesn't know me. And it says, I took over his apartment and now it's much better. What's up, man? Cool. So that's what we do. Hang it out! So yeah.
Hi, hello.
I'm gonna interview her later, but not now.
Yeah, he's.
And then this is Bill. I haven't hanged out with Bill at all.
My glasses.
It's Maki's guy, but Bill is like one of the coolest teachers like ever. But he's leaving, and I'm sorry. I didn't hang out with him a lot more, but maybe. Maybe. Look at Patrick.
Here's the man. Watch his videos. This guy's funny. Insights into Japan. You know.
And he's Canadian. I like Canadians.
Lots of different locations he goes to.
Yeah.
Every time I
So when are you going to Philippines? You're going to Philippines? I'm going in December.
I'll tell you where to go, but
I'm going to Manila this show.
Andre's gotta go down, so if you watch any YouTuber, this is the only guy to watch because he's got the mind for it. He's gonna keep making new videos. Some YouTubers they make a couple videos but they stop, but this guy, he's gone places.
I'm going places, that's what he said. She has a boyfriend, so I can't do this. Bye.
This is my boyfriend Adele.
But Jamaicans don't care about boyfriends.
Come on.
I respect you. I respect you as a woman. Right. But I don't care about a boyfriend. So she's a dancer as well. I like dancers.
From
Interview, okay.
So, yeah.
Can you tell me why Japanese girls don't respond to messages? Is it like if they don't like you, or is it? Tell me why.
I have no idea.
No idea.
Yeah, just maybe
Maybe I'm not cute enough.
they not interested about you.
Not interested about me? Really?
Yeah, maybe.
So why wouldn't they be interested in me? Am I a good guy?
Why?
Yeah, why?
Because
I'm ugly.
I don't know.
Ugly?
You're not ugly, but just I don't know. I don't care.
You don't. Wow, she just murked me.
It's not my business, huh?
You don't. Wow.
I think, yeah. If
doesn't
you
care.
like her, you should try more. Okay?
Try
text,
more.
Text, yeah.
Text. What was it be annoying the
Text
show?
like a sexy guy.
It may be annoying.
Sexy guy.
Sexy
guy. Do you know the new song? MF4, yeah.
Okay, so she says I must try more.
Stop.
Oh shit. Oh, you. Why is all?
Are you trying to take a photo?
No, it is in the video.
Crazy.
Ooh.
What about Jamaican dance?
Jamaican dance. Right, let's see Jamaican. Oh.
Yo.
Oh, hold it. Let me show you. Let's hold it. Can you hold it to me? All right. So you want to see Jamaican dance? You don't teach it. Jamaican dance. Jamaican dance. Ready. Let me go here. Ready. Jamaican dance. That's it. Easy there. Or you can do American Doogie. Yeah, easy. Sunday morning stroll in Okazaki.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
That's all. It's Eileen. White balance.
Your what? Oh, white balance, right.
Right. Get out his face. Get out Bill's 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 face. Get out your face. Get out your face. Get out his face.
1998.
We up in the karaoke. Karaoke.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And we're gonna get hammered. Tambourine the show.
I don't know if we can take that.
What is it? Hey, what's your name? No man. Yeah, so. Oko, hi. I'm Andre from Jamaica. You too. Say hi. Hi, Okoro says hi. Nice. Hi. It's a boy. Hi. Yes, alcohol is the best thing ever.
I know, but you want a special? It's disco.
Karaoke, we're gonna get hammered. Well, I'm not gonna hammer. I have work tomorrow. Bill doesn't work. Billy don't work. Are you finished already? You're pretty ready.
No, but I'm still working this week.
Eagles is free drink.
Is that summer school? Sweet. Yeah, hold it.
No, I can't. Just analyze it.
That's why you like this cross too much. This is going to be a video. YouTube. Green and the medicine. I said what going on with me, but I am the one. But it is in the floor and around. Who will dance on the floor and around there?
She told me her name was Billie Jean and it cost a sin.
Correct.
I am the one who dance on the floor and around.
Billie Jean, motherfucker!
Be careful what you do. Don't go around making out your sound. The Lord told me, be careful what you do. Be careful what you do.
Sing it, baby. Sing it for me, baby. Sing it. Don't let them in. Don't let them see. She's a good girl. You always have to be. Cause she's a good girl. Don't let them know. Don't let them know. When they know. Let it go. Let it go. Everybody. Watch the moves. Yeah. The cold never bother me anyway. Bruh, what a night.